How to fix microphone not working in MacBook. First of all, let's go to the Apple logo in the top left corner. Here, click on System Settings. Then go to Sounds. Then go to Input and make sure that the correct microphone is selected. So that your input volume is turned up like this. Again, on the left menu bar, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. Click on it. Scroll down below until you find Microphone. Click on it. And make sure that this button is turned on beside the app that you want to use your microphone on. And that's it. That's how you can fix your microphone not working on MacBook. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.